Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by picking the right type of music and verifying permissions. Do this now. You should choose royalty-free, Creative Commons with allowed use, or a YouTube audio library track. Make sure the file is MP3 or WAV and that you have the full track length. Once downloaded, note any attribution text and commercial restrictions. You must also import the file into your editing project, create a duplicate backup, and set an initial volume reference to avoid surprises later. Next, you sync and mix music around your primary audio. Place the track on its own timeline layer beneath voice or clips. Use keyframes and smooth fades to bring the music in and out. This prevents abrupt changes. Use ducking or sidechain to lower music when speech appears so words stay clear. Then normalize and apply gentle limiting to control peaks, aiming for consistent perceived loudness. Make sure to target a steady level across edits for a professional result. Finally, you publish with the right metadata and on-screen or description credits. Paste any required attribution exactly as the license demands. Once live, monitor for Content ID claims and check how they affect monetization. If a claim appears, review claim details before accepting. If you face a problem, first try replacing the track or trimming disputed sections, and if needed, dispute with proof of license or receipt. Make sure all changes are documented so you can resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.